question, do one question each day. Look at the picture below carefully. Bag blank is 6 from the right. So guys, this is a blank number question. Okay? And this said 6th from the right. Okay? So this is the right. Okay? C-A-E 6th. Okay? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So bag F is 6th from the right. F. Thanks for watching my daily question. Do one question each day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below what you have learned so far. Have a nice day and have a fantastic quiz day.